Curious about the 2024 Subaru Crosstrek cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-focused design with a high-resolution touchscreen for infotainment and navigation. It includes premium materials, ambient lighting, and an intuitive control layout for a luxurious and user-friendly experience. The display features a high-resolution touchscreen with smartphone integration, navigation, and vehicle settings. It offers a user-friendly interface with crisp graphics and responsive controls. The instrument cluster features a digital display with analog-style gauges, providing real-time vehicle information. It includes a customizable multi-information screen for navigation, safety alerts, and driving data. The gear shift lever has an ergonomic design with a smooth, precise shifting mechanism. It includes a leather-wrapped finish and a manual shifting mode for enhanced driving control. The steering wheel features a leather-wrapped design with a comfortable grip and ergonomic controls. It includes integrated buttons for audio, cruise control, and hands-free phone operation. The 2024 Subaru Crosstrek's 2.0-liter boxer engine delivers 152 horsepower and 145 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with a CVT and standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, offering a smooth and efficient driving experience. Instrument cluster. The 2024 Subaru Crosstrek instrument cluster features a combination of analog dials and a digital display, providing essential driving information at a glance. Depending on the trim level, the digital display offers various screens, including fuel consumption data, journey time and distance, tire pressure monitoring, and auto start-stop system details. Cluster indicators. Seatbelt. Front passenger's seatbelt. Rear seatbelt. SRS airbag system. Front passenger's airbag off. Check engine. Charge warning. Oil pressure. Engine low oil level. A TOILT-EMP, rear differential oil temperature. ABS brake system. Electronic parking, door open. AWD power steering. Auto vehicle hold vehicle dynamics control. Vehicle dynamics control off, turn signal. LED headlight, high beam. High beam assist, automatic headlight beam. Steering responsive, headlight off. Steering responsive headlight. Front fog light, access key. Security, headlight. X mode, hill descent control. Low fuel, low tire pressure. Windshield washer, BSD/RCTA. BSD/RCTA off, RAB off. Sonar audible alarm off. Icy road surface, one-touch interior. Driver monitoring system off. Driver monitoring system temporary.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.